Welcome to this luxury lakefront home on Hamilton Lake's Crystal Bay. Built in 2021, this home shines with 6 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. Upon entering the home, you'll love the open concept floor plan with cathedral ceilings that go from the living room to the kitchen. Cozy up to the fireplace and enjoy the views of the lake. Then, a large island in the kitchen impresses and is perfect for entertainment or just enough room for the chef of the family. The primary bedroom has serene views and a stunning attached bathroom that features a freestanding bathtub and separate tiled shower and a walk-in closet. There are 2 additional bedrooms on the main floor. On the upper level, you'll find another large bunk room plus a bathroom. Attic storage is abundant for your seasonal decorations, and head down to the basement to find a large recreation room and bar area with stunning lakefront views. There's also an exercise room that could possibly serve as another bedroom. Step outside to 3 different decks and patios that look down to your sandy beach. The lake is calling, and Jamie Merritt is ready to show you this luxurious home.